In this video, we'll cover the most common issues players face on Roblox in 2025 and how to fix them. Are you experiencing connection problems? Let's troubleshoot your internet and server issues to get you back online. Game crashes can be frustrating. We'll identify the common causes and the solutions that could help you avoid them. If you've lost access to your account, don't worry. We'll go through the steps to recover hacked or closed accounts. Encountering in-game bugs? Learn how to report them and explore some workarounds that can help make your game smoother. Playing on a low-end device? Here are some tips for optimizing performance for a better gaming experience. Keeping your devices updated is crucial. Let's ensure you have the latest updates for the best compatibility. Don't forget, community support is at your fingertips. Utilize forums and resources to get the help you need. We covered a lot today. Remember, don't let these issues hold you back. Keep playing and enjoying Roblox.